BMW 318 replacement ECU, supplied, programmed at MotorTronics. We do a lot of ECU repairs and ECU replacements, specifically for BMW and Mercedes-Benz. Here's one good example. Program the replacement ECU using dealer tools. Car starts perfectly, no problems. No fault codes. Original customer's key. We don't fit replacement cast units. We program fully everything to the original cast, retaining the original mileage and ensuring one thing: no fault codes. Only at MotorTronics. Give us a call on 07903